live from the command center, JW Solar USA. Today's video is about the Vmaxtanks 12 volt 7 stage smart battery charger 15 amp model number BC1215. So folks, this is the deal here. Purchased this device I think approximately 2 years ago. If you go back into my video, play on my playlist, you will see on chargers, you will see this Vmax was awesome when I was charging my 12 volt batteries here. So folks, that time I was running a 12 volt system, or maybe when I buy batteries, I normally charge them up, top them off before putting them into my battery bank. I was using this charger. Very, very awesome. You got a 7 mode. If you look at it, number 1 is desulfation. You know, if you check first the battery, from there it's gonna take a soft start. You go in the bulk, absorb, and it tests the battery. If the battery doesn't pass the test within the 4 steps here, then it's gonna go back and do it again. So after that, it's gonna recondition the battery if there's any problems, or the battery is not charging well, or maybe kind of desulfation built up or something. And this charger, before it goes to float, and the light's gonna be like amber color, I suppose, green. So now this charger was working. Awesome charger. I don't have to say any bad thing about this Vmaxtank charger, because they are powerful. They are awesome machines. They have a fan on the back, and this one has lasted me for a long time. But we're gonna open up today and see what happened here. I was charging my batteries. This one was just sitting somewhere because it's not even bolted down, and it was vertical, standing up straight, and this thing ended up like falling. It's not like fall from a higher level or something, just like when you put it on a table or a desk or somewhere you lean this stuff, and the thing snap and right down like this, and all of a sudden it gives a false light. So it wasn't doing the job anymore for some reason. I don't know, because shorted because of the shock. So let's put it to test and see how this thing go. I will show you exactly what's going on here, and you guys can tell me. You guys are the experts and you guys are the pro, and I don't know much about this stuff at all. All right folks, it's already plugged in, and the switch is back here, the on and off switch, as you guys can see right there. I know a lot of you guys on YouTube knows how to fix stuff, but I went ahead, opened up this thing, took the screws off before realizing that, let me show you what's the fault. So we're gonna turn this thing on. It's gonna calibrate itself, and after that it's gonna go on the fault. See that? I don't know why, I don't know the problem, I don't know what kind of error is given out. But you guys probably, if any one of you guys already run into this kind of problem, let me know. Or maybe someone will show me how to fix it. I wish I have someone like you guys who are really smart on this kind of thing, and probably will just fix it for me. It was kind of expensive when I bought it though. It's like $110 for this machine back in the day, before Vmax started being popular like the way it is now. And folks, this is the problem I'm encountering, and I don't know nothing about it. I'm not good at circuitry, you know, open the circuits and whatever. I can open it, I don't know what to fix or what to replace. I don't know. To be honest with you guys, things I don't know, I don't mess around with them. I don't know. I leave it to the professionals. I leave it to people that knows more than I do, and they can go about it. So let me turn this device off. I hope it's not gonna blow on me, but it has been, I've been keeping this stuff for a very long time. I don't want to throw it away, because I love the machine, but they have the 20 amp now on a 12 volt, and the prices are getting cheaper, which is about $98, you know. And for 20 amp, at that time I can't get the 20 amp, I can only get the 15. And there is I think it's a 24 volt now too. Before there wasn't 24 volt, but I would like to have one of these, or maybe I would like to get this thing fixed. This machine is a very, very, very good machine. It's awesome. You know, if someone can fix this for me, I'll be really, really, really happy. I don't want to buy this machine anymore. It was someone who know how to think around me. I'll just say, hey, I'll pay you $40 to fix this machine for me. You know, maybe just a little part that's not gonna even cost you $5. But JW Solar USA cannot do this because I know my limits, and I always go with my limits. I know where to stop, I know how to continue, but to be honest with you, I cannot continue with this because I don't know how. So help me out and see if you know someone around the area will show me. I'll open it for you guys and see how everything is set up inside. And I don't just like to open things I don't know how. You know, it's crazy. There's no reason for opening something that you don't know or you don't know how to fix. What are you going to be looking for? That's the thing. That's the first question. What are you going to be looking for? I don't know. So I always probably going to look for a fuse or something. But I think there is a burnt thing here. I don't know if it's a diode. I can see something brown on that corner for some reason. I don't know why. Well, let's take a look. Zoom all the way. I don't know if that's the problem. I think it's a a diode or something. Or MOSFET. Either or. I don't know what it is. But it looks like it's kind of, I don't know, maybe it's just the heat. But right on the corner, I didn't see any fuse or whatever. But it's really bothering me because I want to get this machine fixed. I like this machine. It's really good to charge batteries because of all the functionality this machine has, and you can just see how awesome. There's a chip down there. See that? Set chip or whatever. MBC1-E-B-1 1215. Okay, that was supposed to be the model because it's a 15 amp. See that? That's a 15 amp. Well, so far so good. I can't be monkeying around here, get situation worse. I might probably have someone who knows better who can respond to me, and maybe someone who's listening around me who know how to fix this thing. I can just drop it off and fix it for me. Thanks for watching, guys. And right here, Command Center, JW Solar USA. I want this machine get fixed. Thank you. Bye for now.